Hello viewers, hope all of you are well. In this video, I will show you boot menu settings on HP 290 G4 Microtower PC and installation process. First of all, you need a bootable pen drive. Insert the pen drive and press power button. Then pressing F9 before coming boot menu option and scroll down and select bootable pen drive. So we select UEFI bootable pen drive because this PC default UEFI supported, and click next, then install now. And I don't have product key. Select Windows, then next, and check mark next, install Windows, and here you delete all sub drive system C drive without document volume. Complete and delete C drive. Now we create partition and format C drive. Next, after restarting, we remove the pen drive from computer because I didn't set boot priority, so I remove pen drive from PC after restarting. Otherwise, reinstall Windows again and again. So we remove from computer and it will run automatically, and click next, yes, OK. Before installing Windows, you remove the RJ45 as well as the internet connection. You disconnect first, then you install Windows. Here we put username and next. Here this situation you click try again because it is the time delay error. No problem, try again and it will work properly and it will be finished. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you benefited from this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel for next video. Thank you.